Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You know, from time to time, if you follow my channel, I do product reviews. This is going to be another product review. This is on the Cedar Hardwood Floor and More Flip Damp Dry Mop. It says it removes over 99% bacteria with just water. The shaft comes into 1, 2, 3 pieces when it's shipped, and you're just going to screw them together. And unless you're a shorter person, maybe you just want to take out the centerpiece and go with a shorter mop. I guess it's entirely up to you. All twist together clockwise. It says use dry, ultra dense chenille. Side attracts and holds dirt, dust, and hair. You use the damp mop on the other side. The microfiber side cleans effectively without chemicals. Removes over 90% of bacteria with just water. To remove and replace, the pad easily slides on and off to wash or replace, secure with fasteners. And then to wash, just machine or hand wash in warm water and lay flat to dry. Do not use fabric softeners or bleach. And these are the other products that Cedar makes, I believe. And you can also buy replacement refills if this gets worn out over time. But we've been using the Swiffer mops for a while. We did just move into the modern farmhouse. If you haven't seen that collection, I'm going to put a card up here at the top. Go ahead and click that. It's going to show you all the things we've been doing in the modern farmhouse. But my wife was needing something that was a little bit longer and wider because we have a larger space to clean up for vinyl plank flooring. So we decided to go this route and see how it works out. So it looks like it comes in with this frame here. It's just a plastic frame. Nothing real special, but it does swivel, I guess, so you can use either side. And the frame itself is going to measure at the widest part about 18 inches and 4 inches. So like I just showed you, you're going to release these Velcro tabs that are on here. And one side is actually sewed in like a pocket, and the other side opens up. So you're going to take it out, slide it right in, and then bring the other side over top, and then let the Velcro tabs come down and close it up. There you go. Also has a little hook right here, so you can hang it up on a nail or a hook in your laundry room or your garage, wherever you want to keep it. There's this side here. It does have like a more abrasive feel to it with these different stitching. And then this is more of a softer mop like texture. And there is the handle. I'm going to go ahead and take that apart. It does say Cedar on there. And there's threads on the inside. So what you do is you just put it in there like that. And turn it clockwise. And keep working your way down till you get the whole shaft in there. And then the whole shaft measurement is going to be, once you put it together, it's going to give you 50 inches. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this over to my wife and then let you see how she likes it or doesn't like it. All right, so this is Michelle. She's trying it out. See if she likes it or not. Michelle does not want to be on camera this morning. So we're just going to see her using it. Well, it does have a wider path, I guess.
It's kind of like a lawnmower when they just kind of like continue where you left off.
So Michelle thinks it's like a lawnmower. So I guess if y'all like pushing lawnmowers, then you're in. How's it feel, Michelle? Is it like grippy on the floor? Does it glide?
Yeah, it's smooth on the floor.
Smooth on the floor. Okay.
Seems to pick up everything.
Seems to pick up everything. Okay, well that's good. Does it seem wider than your Swiffer was?
Yes, wider than the one I had. That's good. More stuff to collect and less work to have to do. That's good.
You sound like you're really into this, Michelle. Do you like the mop or you don't like the mop?
Yeah, I just said it's nice. It's good. I like it. It's great.
Since we just moved in here, there's a lot of like, I guess, contractor debris, drywall that's gotten on the floors. We did have the floors wrapped up in paper, but very difficult to keep the floors completely clean. It has a little bit of a haze on here. And with vinyl plank flooring, you're not supposed to put any chemicals on there, just water, according to this manufacturer. These are Triumph floors, I believe it is. Is it Triumph?
Just a little scrubby to it.
So Michelle's going to put just a little bit of water on the floor where we have an area that seems to not want to clean up that well, even with the Swiffer. She's going to try the scrubby pad.
Yeah, goes over nicely, cleans the water off.
Goes over nicely and cleans the water off? Okay.
Yeah.
Dried it up?
Dries the water up, pulls it off the floor.
I don't see that spot on the floor anymore. That looked like it was a tape residue mark or something. I think that may have pulled it up. Just regular water. Okay, so what do you think, Michelle? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down on this product?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for O-Cedar.
Keep it.
We'll keep it. Okay.
We'll keep it.
So it found a place in the modern farmhouse home. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Please give us a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you like our videos. Please share with your family and friends. And that bell icon on YouTube, smash that thing. If you smash that, it's going to give you updates right away of what our videos are and when they're coming out. Hope everybody's doing okay. Give me some feedback. Let me know how you like yours if you buy one. I'm going to put some links at the bottom of the page there on YouTube for some various places that you can pick them up for yourself. That's it. Take care.